My name is Ben Scott, and I'm studying welding at Ames Community College. I'm from a small farm town called Piggott, Arkansas. I served in the military from 2010 to 2014, and I'm proud to call myself an aardvark. Things have really gone well for me since attending Ames, meeting new people, learning new skills. I just can't imagine where I would be without these things. I have a traumatic brain injury, so learning things for me is a little more difficult, and my instructors have sat down with me and made sure that I had everything that I needed to succeed and move forward. There is no failing because you're always learning something. So as long as you have that mindset going into it, you're always going to keep moving forward. And that's what they always drive home here. And I really appreciate that momentum. Even in times of doubt, they were always there to just be like, hey man, you're doing just fine. You're killing it. So that kind of support behind me has really kept me afloat and pushed me to keep going. People are ready to learn, people are ready to help, and I really like the environment that is created here at Ames because you don't get that in many places. Every instructor that I've had interactions with, they've been nothing but wonderful. Their wealth of knowledge, it's created so much growth in my life. I look at things a little bit differently now. The bonds that I've made with some of these people that I've welded alongside of here, those will stay forever. After Ames, I intend on opening a nonprofit to give back to the veteran community. My son's 12. He's really big into the off-road stuff, just like I am. He's all on board with the nonprofit. I hope that we can work together and really make a difference in the veteran community and hopefully provide and give back in the way that we have a means to.